on live acting the way I was acting, that was the reason. So I just want to make it public, say.
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself. You don't know, say the attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I may say attack. Some people, on a real level, my viewers and subscribers. You don't know, say, you know, we hear about the whole thing, my people. And I do have the video, you understand? And this is the video. I'm not going to share the video, my people, when they did a reaction. I talk about Likkle Addi. You understand? Because I'm doing a first live when he come forward. And I'm real up, my people, angry. And you don't know, him talk some word night and a lot of people say, yo, him too rude to them mouth and him for behave himself. But what me have to say, who feels it, knows it, my people. And nobody know what this youth was going through at the time. You understand? Well, him man enough, my people. You understand? For do another video, a follow-up video after a couple of hours and react my people and talk about the whole situation and explain himself and break it down, my people. And him even do apologize to him fans them for know that this youth is a real G. You understand? Likkle Addi is a real G. So me I go to my people, me I go play this video where him do, where him upload after my people. You understand? When him apologize and him explain the whole thing, so they can get a full understanding of where I come from with the whole situation. When him talk about the incident that occurred with him in a S3RI0US, my people, at the Taj Mahal shopping center, where him saying go at a cafe if he get him breakfast, and what went down with man who is alleged to be or suspected to be security guards who managed pull firearm on him and this and that and talk a lot of words to him when it's alright, and you know what I mean, disappoint him father and one heap of something. So just check out this, my viewers and subscribers, then my forward back. John, attack.
Yo, wanna share the live. So first of all, I'd like to apologize to the fans who witnessed my previous behavior on the previous live. But I want to really explain what took place this morning. So I'm share up the live. Alright, so this morning I got up and ordered breakfast at a restaurant called Cafe Express. I've seen S3RI0US at the Taj Mahal Plaza. Anybody at Ochi, anybody who live at Ochi know the plaza, they say. This morning, after my arrival at the restaurant, I was looking for a parking space and couldn't find any. Bear in mind, this is my first time at the restaurant and me never know where this. So I was looking for a parking, and while parking, 2 security guards ran down on me with guns, threatening me, asking me what the reason for my day. So ray bugger thing, till it all lead to the point where they must start disrespect me and talk about suck father, bugger thing. So me I say, yo, or the first me I see this, them a come talk about how me pull up in a Benz, in a dark Benz, I spin around parking lot. I look for parking and this and that on some intimidation thing. So they even make that face me. So I walk upstairs, I try to look for the restaurant, see me, and then these 2 security guards, I don't even know if I security for the plaza or anything, cause I'm never in a uniform or anything, but they kept on following me, threatening me about how them a go shoot me in the face, this and that. So this morning, when everybody saw me on live acting the way I was acting, that was the reason. So I just want to make it public, say, I'm being targeted when I go outside in public. You see me? That's the reason why I came on live to address this situation. Everybody was texting me, asking me if I'm good, I'm govern everything gov, but I make it known publicly, say I'm being threatened, I'm being harassed by the public for no reason. I don't know what the reason is, but yeah, that was the reason. So everybody on the live govern say I'm there. You see me? But yeah, one UTG, make sure to share up the live. I be a bad mind people out there, but them can't stop it. You see me? ISIS fully can't stop greatness. So the first man I see this year run down on the car, you go threaten me, ask me what the reason why I'm there. Harass me and this bag of fuckery I come talk about. Suck father. So I just want to make it known, say I'm being harassed, being threatened, but they are seeing me, you see me? They are seeing me. So I'm just come on the live, clear up everything, and once again I apologize for the previous behavior on the first live.
Some people, that's Likkle Addi now, on a real level, see? And after the whole thing, me have seen where a lot of people make some comment. A lot of people say, yo, him for left Jamaica, them him for go foreign. A lot of people say this, them say that to him father. You know, say man want him father, man want him, and one heap of something, people. And what me have to say to you now, on a real level, me know Vybz Kartel, now say me know him personal and talk to him. But when Kartel is up on the street and this and that, my people, which as artists, from as an entertainer, public figure, you gotta consider yourself always have enemy. But me never hear say Kartel, like man target him out. You know what I mean? Like that and him can't go certain places. I know when Kartel lane at the rain and Gaza rain, you have Kartel have him empire them all about the place. Ochi Empire, Mobi Empire, Portmore Empire, that the Empire, Falmouth Empire, St. Mary, everywhere you go you find an empire. You understand? And Kartel go all of these places and keep party, and most of the time when Kartel keep him party them, him not keep the big old something and up. You understand? Him keep him look show them all about the local spot, how much youth did they turn up. Cause he was so loved. You understand? So when me hear people go say, yo, him for left Jamaica and this and that, honestly, me not gonna tell him to leave Jamaica because of this people. No, as me I gonna say, in the street with people, especially being a public figure, now in a time like Jamaica where we see so much things are going on, you have to really careful. You understand that when you are roll, it's great for you have people around you. You get what me I say? You no joke about it. Me know say you not gonna want people for their own 24/7. You understand, like a man I watch a ball. You get what me I say? Like nobody yard. But on a real level, you need people around, especially when they're going to the street. You know, say a Portmore, a base, a town, a base, and them things. But when you're going to a certain place, you need people around you. And what a lot of people have to look into. Because I can't come forward and say, hey, me start this up security and say security board now. You idiot for do this and for do that. You understand? People now have to understand. You see that shopping place at the plaza that watch them call Taj Mahal is a place where lot of big thing, the money, crazy millions of dollars make this every day. Lot of gold when ship come, and this of them come for buy gold, and whole person some millions of dollars make this at daytime of people. Millions you talk about. In a time like now, when I hear much robbery go on, you understand much millions are leaked from that the side, from that the angle of people, and you see where different parishes has been targeted. You know what I mean? So if security guard there and them see one car pull up, look dark up and I go from the parking lot and a circle, for them, you know, maybe them feel some suspicion, or you know what I mean, them say, yo, that car looks suspicious now, we don't trust it, you know. So maybe, you know, at the time, people, you know, me now go say, I wasn't there, and I don't know how they talk to Likkle Addi, and I don't know what occurred or what transpired when them just come some if them pull a gun and just dash in them face and start this him up. If them a pre-man, them don't like him from when because I'm daddy, well if I that the way them wrong and them deserve a attack my people. But as me saying that time like now, nobody not take no chat in the street, my people. Because the streets now play at Jamaica. We have seen where so much things are going on a yard on a daily basis of people, where people afraid people, you know what I mean, how much business are getting knocked up. And we have seen when them are rolling and are come, people, especially if it is money truck war, go on and this. You know what I mean? So, a lot of people now, my people, me I tell you, say, them not take no threat. You understand? As me say, I don't know what really occurred on the spot. Little Addi, you talk the video and him say what occurred, but there's always two sides to a story. There's Likkle Addi side and there's the security guard side of people. I mean, once the Kartel himself, him not gonna feel good about this people. If you know say him son, you know what I mean? Kartel not gonna feel good if you know say him son. Because Kartel want to teach you know. Him love him youth them, you know, people. Him love him youth them like cook food. So when him see him youth them and I hear him youth go through a situation like this, him gonna feel like we are my people. And when I hear Likkle Addi side like, he must say, yo, him feel like he's being targeted, my people. You know what I mean? And him then disclose and say, yo, because a Kartel him targeted or this, you know what I mean? But in the end, who feels it knows it, my people. Wish him do the first video, him react certain way. He was angry about everything and him a discipline, him a cuss out. The other people say, yo, him for humble himself, him for this, but you know, you don't know what going through this you mind and mentality when him see all of that, my people. You know what I mean? If a man just come roll up gun in your face and start this you up and I say this or that, you know, you never know. But as me say, there's a lot of different side we have to look into, and we don't hear the security guard side, so that's why I can't launch in and drop an attack like that. Only thing I can say, if it do go the way look at the say go just like that, my people, them wrong. And them can't deal with people, so. You understand? You have to deal with people with more professionalism. You know what I mean? Not everybody will say roll in one tail pop car a thief. Not everybody will say have a tattoo a thief and bleach out them face a thief. Not everybody will say plait up them hair and wear certain clothes. Them a thief or a gunman with people. You understand? Because gunman, they come in all type of form. They come just like Christian, like a teacher, like a pastor, like a deacon, like a doctor. And you never know so they are robbers and thief with people. So you can't just judge people by the image and the way how them dress or coordinate or conduct themselves with people. You cannot. You understand? But as I say, sorry for the whole thing where it's Likkle Addi. You know what I mean? But I say in the street, I have to be careful when I roll in the street with people. And not just say he's a public figure, he's an entertainer. His father is so big and thing, my people, popular, the most you have to say, popular dancehall artists in Jamaica. So there's different means and different ways where people can, you understand the people? And we don't know so there's millions of people who love Kartel and still there are thousands who hate him same way. You understand? And some people them hate him because your daddy and the hate does turn towards the picnic. Them things that do occur. But all I can say, it's just wish Likkle Addi the best, you know what I mean? Hope him can continue in career and thing, family wise and everything. And you don't know, just careful on the street. You understand? Careful on the street. And this goes say, every artist, every entertainer, you understand, especially being a public figure, just careful in the street and you know what I mean? Know how you conduct yourself in the street. That's all I can say. Some people just big up in yourself, man, and just stay safe. Continue to do the right thing. I don't know, say, a one team and a one team and a one scheme and a one attacking boss of people. I don't know, so I love y'all like cook for my people and just big up on yourself, man, every time. I don't know. Peace out, blessings, big up every time.